Hey, what is up? This is Robin Palmer. Welcome to my Hooked review. This is, in a nutshell, a simple system using AI to build something that people, as you can see here, as the headline says, something that people can't stop using. And every time you do, it pays you without you having to sell stuff. And I'm going to be showing you more about how this actually works. And I'm going to be showing you inside the actual dashboard of this. But before that, let's dive into the actual bonuses that I've created for you. And you're going to find those below this video, or if you scroll down as well. So let's talk about the bonus number one. The bonus number one is how I generate traffic to anything I want for free. This is a powerful system and method. I definitely recommend you check this out. And traffic is one of those things that you are going to need as well. The product itself is really good, and they are showing you a way to generate traffic. However, I do recommend you check this out because it's going to help you with that. The bonus number two is the hidden gold mine. Is one of their past blockbuster products, and I talked to them and I asked them if they could give me something of value, something that I could give my audience. And then I got this bonus here, the hidden gold mine. I also got rapid traffic flow, which is another really cool bonus, one of their latest blockbuster products. I also got $500 a pop, which is also one of their latest products, plus, of course, all the vendor bonuses. So these bonuses here are bonuses that you are going to get, that everyone gets, but these are specific, exclusive, custom bonuses that you get only through me. So that being said, now if you click on any of the buttons on this page, it's going to take you to this sales page that says, reveal how we build a simple tool people can't stop using. And every time they do, it pays us without selling a thing. Crazy simple, no setup, no selling needed, just built-in free traffic and multiple ways to profit. And you're going to be able to see all the details here on your own time and their own results, which I find pretty cool. I'm recording this before it actually goes live, but you're going to see, everything here on the sales page. This is James, this is Max. And let's talk about the actual product. Okay, so if we dive into the members area, you're going to see, of course, as usual, this first video here where they're going to be explaining the first steps that you want to take. And then they're going to be giving you, as usual, as well as, they usually do, both James and Max inside the courses. They're going to be showing you the big picture so you understand how this works. So it's going to give you an idea, a bird's eye view from the start, what this product is about. They're going to be doing, the big reveal here. They're going to be showing you how it works. And this is something that, I use AI a lot, but the way that you're using this is actually something that I didn't know about. And I think that if you use this the proper way, I think you're going to get killer results, in my opinion. Now, they're going to be showing you how to use a specific platform and how to leverage this to generate assets where you can place affiliate links. For example, you can sell anything in any niche essentially, but it's a system that allows you to generate different kind of apps. And they're going to be showing you how to do that right inside of these videos, how fast they build this, because there are several of these apps integrated into one app. And they're going to be showing you how to do that and how to put any link in front of your dream audience. Now, there's so many ways to turn this into money because, literally the phrase, the sky's the limit, I think that's very true in this case. I think this is perfect for affiliate marketers, and you can use this in so many ways. For example, to build a list. There's so many ways, and they're going to be showing you exactly how they are using this specific platform to do, to generate an income online For example, you're going to be able to turn your app into a billboard and how to get paid for sponsored placements. But it's not, exclusive to that. In fact, this can be used in so many ways to generate an income online. Now, the cool thing is that they're showing you how they're setting this up. Okay. And the other thing is that they're going to be showing you how to find your dream audience. Let's talk about the prices for this. So the front is going to cost $17, but there are a couple of additional upgrades here that I'm going to be showing you in just a moment. So let me show you that. So as I mentioned, the front end offer for this is going to be $17. Then they have different upsells and stuff and that you can decide to pick up if you want to. They have the James and Max Mastermind for $1. It's I believe it's a recurring thing, but for $1 you can check it out if you want to and see if this is for you or not. And then they have the combined done for you social builder upgrade, which costs $97. But I suggest that if you decide to pick this up, you go for the downsell for $67. They have the done for you content for $67 and the downsell version for $47. And they have these different upgrades which are more towards the coaching aspect of it. I definitely suggest you grab if you want to go for the coaching stuff, this is a steal in my opinion. They have the AIpreneurs Academy for $297, the 2.0, which is the $497, and the commission bump for $297. Now, this one here, Hooked, is the next level scaling and traffic. This one is the one that it's strictly related to this front-end offer for $27. Then they have these other tools that are like, stuff that you can get to replace ClickFunnels, Dropbox, School, and more for $197. This can definitely add up if you want to do affiliate marketing. So that's something that you might want to get or grab. But if you do, go for the downsell at $99. Then if you feel this is something that you would like to recommend to people, you want to grab the reseller rights for the $47 at the downsell price. This one here, upgrade money or more money. I'm not quite sure what that's about, but it costs $37. So you might want to consider that one. Okay. So, well, you'll have to decide what you want to grab, but definitely this one, the front end offer, and this one here is the most, the one that relates specifically to this one. And the coaching upgrades are stuff, no, you're not going to get high quality stuff training from these guys because they know what they're talking about. So that's what I can say about this product. Looks really interesting. It's new. I never heard about this, but something that you can take advantage of. So let me know if you have any specific questions. I'm going to be happy to get back to you. And thank you for watching my Hooked review, and I talk to you soon.